I'm delighted to be here today for two important reasons. In addition to celebrating the International Year of the Periodic Table, we're also launching a new initiative today called the 1001 Inventions Journeys from Alchemy to Chemistry.
That's what we call chemistry. But how and when was the science of chemistry first invented? The ancient Greeks tried to explain what the world was made of, but when it came to chemistry, they could have done better. Then, 1,000 years later, came a man who helped change everything. He was known as Geber the Alchemist, but his real name was Jabir ibn Hayyan. He lived in the 8th century and spent most of his life in the town of Kufa.
We are just celebrating this year the International Year of the Periodic Table. And it's a fantastic occasion to talk to the children, to talk to the public about the benefits of science, about the journey of science and the different contributions of the world to this journey of science.
À mon époque, nous connaissions déjà tous ces éléments. Ah, pas autant qu'à mon époque, Jabir.
Fantastic exposition for this event in UNESCO, but most impressive one.
Je suis ravie de ce que je découvre. En un laps de temps très court, on fait le tour de quelque chose de très compliqué et d'une façon ludique.
Alors, comment on va faire pour faire passer de l'état liquide à l'état solide notre sable?
Je connaissais un peu le mode de fabrication par la saponification et le fait de pouvoir vulgariser ça auprès des enfants, c'était incroyable parce que normalement c'est assez compliqué la chimie. Fais passer à tes camarades.
Donc les enfants ont passé une excellente matinée, c'était une animation très vivante.
It's really incredible to do the work with the different representatives of UNESCO and to extend that learning, and a moment of pride for the teachers to listen to the kids respond with almost correct answers from the stuff that we've gone over in class.
You can experiment, you don't need to be in a lab, you don't need to be a great scientist, you can do small experiments and it's about having fun with science.
Ce qu'on a aimé dans les expériences, c'est qu'on peut les refaire chez nous. Non, j'ai envie de faire de la chimie.
So I want to thank very warmly 1001 Inventions for the partnership with UNESCO, how it addresses the children and make them interested and happy to work in science. Thank you very much.